Now first is to connect the positive terminal of the LED, the longer leg, to the 330 ohm resistor. The other leg of the LED is connected to the common ground line from the Arduino's ground pin. You know, this one here, we can connect it here or something, but I'm gonna use a jumper wires for this to better distinguish or something. I'll connect it. But here is that where the 330 ohm is gonna. Now connect one pair of legs of the push button to a leg of the 10,000 ohm resistor, while the other pair of legs to the common ground. And we're gonna do the same for the other push button. Okay, put it here. And put it this one here. And the 10,000 ohms obey. Okay. Now connect the other leg of the 10,000 ohm resistor to the common 5 volts line from the Arduino 5 volts pin. The other end of the 330 ohm resistor goes to the Arduino digital pin 3. Okay, I'm gonna use red for here. I'll connect it to the red. So do this. I'm gonna use gray. Put it to the pin 3. And now connect the push button's output pins between the legs of the push button of the resistor to digital pins 8 and 9 of the Arduino Uno. So left is gonna be pin 9. The right one's gonna be pin 8. Okay. Now for the coding part. First, we're gonna type in integer. It declares an integer variable. LED red pin. Red pin is gonna be red pin. It's gonna be equals to 3. Now integer button left pin is gonna be integer 9. I mean, it's gonna be pin 9, and then integer button right pin is gonna be pin 8. And now for the void setup. Now pin mode. Pin mode sets pins as input or output. So I'm gonna type in pin mode. Red pin output. So the output will be okay. And then pin mode button left pin input. And then pin mode button right pin. It's gonna be also input. Then we're gonna bracket wait over here. Now we're gonna type in void loop. Okay. So we can continue pressing the off and on button. We're gonna type in it digital read the button. We're gonna set it to low. It's off. Then right over here closes it. Now we're gonna type in digital right LED red pin high on. Now digital red read pin reads if a button is pressed on high or low or on and off, and digital right pin turns an output device on or off or high or low. So high and digital red button right pin is set low. I'm gonna type in digital right red pin is off. Okay, double check if anything's set. And after that, we're gonna start simulation. Yeah, some errors will be. And over here, let's see what's wrong here. Okay, if digital read. Oh, digital. It's supposed to be digital. Okay, so now everything's all set. There's something missing. Oh, we're gonna stop simulation. I forgot to put the plug in the ground to the here, and we can start simulation here. Okay, now it turns on and off. We started the void loop. Oh, that's partially it. Okay, all set. Good. That is all.